all night. Say it, I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often.
Good morning guys, how are you guys doing? Today is Friday the 4th of March and I have a hair appointment today. I'm gonna get my hair done and I am going to take you guys along with me so that we can go and get my hair slayed. I haven't installed a lace wig in so long, guys. I remember in December I was like, you know what, I'm taking a break. I wore closures the whole month because I just couldn't with the heat, but now and I'm so excited for the wig that I'm installing because it's very natural. It's still very like loose, not necessarily loose, but like it's very light. I got this beautiful wig from XRSBEAUTY. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And it is like it's like an 18-inch, but it's 150% density. Now the density means like how thick it is, and it's on the lower side of thickness, and I love that because it's going to look so much more natural. So yeah, I'm excited to go and get it installed. I have some inspo. I want to do like a 90s layered look. I need to do that, and I'm more excited to be doing that specific hairstyle with this wig because of XRSBEAUTY's new clear lace. I am so excited, guys. So basically the concept of the clear lace is it is thinner, it is more undetectable than normal lace. That is honestly one of the reasons why I stopped wearing lace for a very long time, especially in the heat, because I could feel the lace on my head. But with this, you're supposed to not be able to feel the crunchiness of the lace as much on your head, and I'm excited for that because that is a big part of why I don't wear a lot of lace wigs. And it's supposed to be more undetectable and more cleaner, just giving you a more clean, clear install than normal pre-plucked lace. I mean, I know that a lot of companies will sell pre-plucked frontals and they will look good, but when I saw XRSBEAUTY's clear lace on this wig, when I was unboxing it, I was just shook. It is beautiful. Girl, the pre-plucking job on this, my hairstylist called me and she was like, I know you said like customization and install, but I don't think we need to do any customization. Literally, she texted me, she was like, girl, are you sure the knots are bleached? Everything was ready for me. So yeah, I'm ready to go and get my hair done. I just have to go and wash my real hair. After that, I'm going straight to my hair appointment. And if you are interested in the clear lace and if you're interested in this specific wig, I will have that link in the description box. And then I will also link the actual XRS website in case you are looking for the clear lace but you want a different style maybe, or if you're looking for other wigs. So yeah. So guys, I have arrived. Alright, so we started just by prepping my hairline. I am going to be doing the bald cap method, so we are just using a stocking cap that matches my skin, and then we used Got2b. I installed this wig using Got2b. I didn't use any glues or anything like that. So right now she's just drying the glue and cutting off the stocking cap. And yeah, like I said, we are doing the bald cap method, so I am going to have a very, very natural type of install. And yeah. And then this is where we started playing around with the lace. This is where she showed me like what she was talking about when she was like, yeah, you see, I didn't have to do anything. And this is what I mean by the clear lace. Guys, you can just see that this wig comes and you don't have to do a thing. Like, it is so stunning, and I just think it just matched my skin, even though it wasn't even like stuck on. I'll show you what I mean after she cuts off the lace. But yeah, we're going to cut off the lace and kind of make the hair sit nicely on my face. And this is when we had cut off the lace, but we hadn't stuck anything down. Do you see how, oh, girl, I'm telling you. So yeah, now we are just going to take that got to be and glue down the wig. So right over here, she's just, you know, making sure that any places that didn't get enough glue, she's just touching them up. And then we tied my hairline down so that the actual lace would, you know, lay nicely. And this is me telling her just what I wanted when it came to the layers. So we chose to start the layers a bit lower so that if I wanted to raise them up to frame my face more, we could. And I'm just so glad that I went to a professional for this, because you know me, I would have tried to do it myself, but I'm just learning to just go to the right people for what I want. And April is so freaking talented that I was like, yeah, I trust her to do these layers. And I'm glad that I chose to do layers, because even if I decide to curl my hair, it's still going to be so beautiful. I love when you curl hair that's layered, because it just looks way more voluminous and natural. I like that vibe, you know? And yeah, this is just her cutting up the layers and making sure that they're good and they're straight. I love the method that she used, because she tapered them at the end, and that's just gonna make them look way more natural. So in order for the layers to do, you know, the things that I want them to do, we took a blow dryer and a round brush and started like curling up the hair. And then we also did use a flat iron to get that, you know, movement of the actual ends of the hair. And as you can see, it's starting to come together. And yeah, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and the fact that I can wear this hair straight, curled up, and it looks so natural. I enjoyed having this wig on my head because, like I said, it's not a heavy wig, and it's still warm outside. It's not yet autumn or winter, so I'm very much enjoying the lighter hair, and the length is so nice. I just enjoyed it. It's so beautiful. If you followed me on Instagram, you saw me I just love this hair. It's beautiful. So shout out to XRS for this wig. If you want to shop this wig and want to check out their new clear lace, I will have the link for you in the description box. And also don't forget to use that code for 15% off of everything on their site. Girl, that is a plug, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
XRSBEAUTY Hair, your natural hair.